6 point something lang siya.
Zane yun.
Zane. Hindi, I don't think Zane better.
Zane, kasi sabi niya, nanay, why you're paying a lot? Go to Zane and they will give you phone. 6 point.
Zane will give you good offer, but you can use it. 70% of the customers in the parent using helmet.
I know, because see, whenever you want,
Ang lamig na dito, Marvin. Today become cold. Start yesterday. Better, yeah, not hot.
Yeah, before yesterday I was
When March will come, again become very hot.
this year is late. Last year is come like September, October.
So at least we'll finish late also.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I know what hat is better like this. You
Yeah.
know what? Hat or cold?
Ayos.
I like to be home.
Sira ulo gusto niya ng hot. Ayos din to mag-question. You want hot or cold? Sure, he wants hot.
Lalaban mo ba ito? Pag-uwi mo.
Ano yun?
Ito, lalaban mo.
Bago lang ako to. Hindi naman ako nagsukat. Kakaplansya ka nga lang kanina to eh.
Ako lalaban mo tuloy ito. Kasi nagsukat.
Eh, nagsukat ka eh. Ako sinuot ko lang naman to nung paglabas natin. Hindi ko to lalaban.
Kaya,
Masisira kasi ito
kasi
sa washing.
pag hindi ko ito nilaban, parang pagpasok ko ng kwarto,
Ako hindi ko to lalaban kasi kakalaba ko lang wala yan. Hindi naman ako nagsukat eh.
sukat ako, kaya laban ko na lang yan.
Sakay ka na dyan no, sa 44.
Ma, dadalhin ko lang.
Ayun na yung bus. 18.
Awan.
She will go to Amad's. I will sit down. I'm tired. Wow, nag-ano na sila ng Christmas light.
Because you look very slow.
Number 12, we already go? We'll come 7 o'clock.
Wait, go.
650 was gone.
6?
652.
6:52.
Last was gone. Next bus will come after
1 hour. No, 5. Now it's 5. 5:20 maybe. Ti amo, Marvin, ti amo.
Grabe ka naman, ang laki mo naman, hindi tumama yung paa mo dyan.
Now every day you are here?
Yes, because they plan to make all the people in
Brother, for the iPhone, how much monthly?
Depends which model you choose, which color you
The
choose.
iPhone Pro Max like that.
It's dependent,
Actually, I don't know correct amount. We have permission to do deal up to 340 devices. So that you
I think you need to give advance, right?
yeah.
How much? The less.
Around 3 to 5 months. Yeah. You are using a connection for 1 year, right?
Oh.
And you have 3 months to 5 months.
Ano ba yan?
That's also good. iPhone was like 600 PDs. 3 months like
Yung iPhone na dating yung Pro Max, ano na lang yun, 400 na lang ngayon.
Meron.
Kaya if you magkuhan ka dyan, magbili ka na lang ng cash, no?
Dapat kung kukuha ka ng iPhone 1 terabyte, naniwala ka sa akin, konting picture mo lang sa iPhone, kailangan mo ng
Bakit?
Inalong ko rin eh.
Bakit?
Ba't mababa yung gigabyte mo yung pinakamura? Kailangan 1 terabyte. Parang sa ako mo 1 terabyte. 10 minutes ago.
Ay, ang panda ko, nakaupo ako, hindi man lang umabot.
Maliit ka pala talaga. Ano ko nga dyan kung meron siyang offer na 8 point something?
Ikaw na.